आप सभी लोगों का स्वागत है यहाँ पर आने के लिए। विद मी आई वुड लाइक टू इंट्रोड्यूस ऑल दी फाउंडर्स ऑफ Shadowflex here. With us, Mr. Abhishek Bansal ji is here, who is the co-founder, managing director and chief executive officer of Shadowflex. We have Mr. Vaibhav Khandelwal ji, who is co-founder, whole-time director and chief technology officer. Mr. Prahash Chandra ji, who is the co-founder, whole-time director and chief business officer at Shadowflex, and Mr. Gaurav Jetlia ji, who is the co-founder, whole-time director and head of business strategy. First generation entrepreneurs who have successfully built and scaled Shadowflex into one of the India's leading 3PL logistics companies. At ICICI Securities, we feel extremely privileged to have closely worked with this energy, full and passion management and founders, and we wish them all heartiest wishes for high growth journey of Shadowflex. There is a short AV film which we will present, and Abhishek Bansal ji and team will take you through the journey of Shadowflex. The total issue size is 1,907 crore. Out of this, 1,000 crore is primary issue, fresh issue है, and 907 crore OFS. Price band, as you all know, is between 118 to 124. Anchor of the issue is on 19 January 2025, which is on coming Monday, and 20th January to 22 January is the IPO dates. मैं आप सभी लोगों से we believe that you will provide us all the support for a successful IPO of Shadowflex, and with this we will present.
I'm going to take you through a brief introduction on the company, some of our competitive advantages that we have built, and how does the model exactly work. I'll then invite Vaibhav to take us through the tech-related innovation. Shadowflex, we started in 2015, and today we are the largest new age third-party logistics company in this country. We are also the fastest growing 3PL company in this country today. What we do is we service all kind of industries, be it e-commerce, quick commerce, food delivery. Wherever the delivery is happening to our household, we essentially like to cater into that target market. Today in India, 2.2 to 2.4 crore deliveries happen on a daily basis in this country. Essentially anything and everything where you and us as end consumers are going to place an order, we essentially do that kind of a delivery. We call this model, in very simple words, digital commerce penetration. ये क्या होता है कि जितना भी इंडिया में रिटेल खर्चा हो रहा है उसका कितना प्रतिशत ऑनलाइन सेल से जनरेट हो रहा है, लगभग अभी ये 7-8% है, इसको डिजिटल पेनिट्रेशन बोलते हैं हम लोग। हमारा मानना है कि ये नंबर बहुत ऊपर जाएगा आगे आने वाले समय में, लगभग हमारी रिसर्च रिपोर्ट बोलती है डबल हो जाएगा, 12 से 14% हमारी इंडिया की सेल्स ऑनलाइन होना शुरू हो जाएगी अगले 5 साल के अंदर। हम इस चेंज को बनाने के लिए, हम इस चेंज को करने के लिए जो भी एनेबल करने के लिए लॉजिस्टिक्स चाहिए, हम वो बना रहे हैं एज अ कंपनी। चाहे वो फास्टर लॉजिस्टिक्स हो, चाहे वो कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव लॉजिस्टिक्स हो, एज अ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हम बहुत ही ज़्यादा फोकस्ड है इस सेगमेंट के ऊपर, जहाँ पर डिलीवरीज हमारे घरों पर, हमारे दरवाजे तक आने वाली है। हमारे कॉम्पिटिशन से और हमें क्या डिफरेंस आता है वहाँ पर, तो इन 3 चीज़ों को अब हम एक्सप्लेन करेंगे। सबसे पहले टू स्टार्ट विद आवर ऑपरेटिंग स्ट्रैटेजी। ओके, बिफोर आई गो इनटू द नंबर दैट यू सी ऑन दिस स्लाइड, what we offer to our e-commerce companies, to our D2C brands, to small sellers who work on the platform.
अब ऐसे में आप 2500 से ज़्यादा शहरों को